Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we are settling a debate that many of you have been asking about in the comments. You have around $1,200 to spend. On one hand, you have the ASUS Vivobook V16, V3607VM ES74, a powerhouse packed with the latest NVIDIA RTX 5060. On the other, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5, the gold standard for business reliability, now upgraded with Intel's AI-ready Ultra processors. One is built for frames per second, the other is built for years of productivity. Which one belongs in your backpack? Let's dive into the specs, the benchmarks, and the real-world feel. The ASUS Advantage, the Core 7 and RTX 5060. The ASUS V16 is an absolute beast for this price bracket. It features the Intel Core 7 240H processor. Notice that H suffix. It stands for high-performance graphics. But the real star is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060. Gaming, you aren't just playing esports titles, you're crushing AAA games at high settings. Content creation, if you edit 4K video or render 3D models in Blender, the CUDA cores on the 5060 will save you hours of export time. The ThinkPad approach, Intel Ultra 5 and NPU. The ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 takes a different path with the Intel Ultra 5 125U. The U series is designed for efficiency. It won't beat the ASUS in a race, but it's an AI PC. It features a dedicated NPU to handle background tasks like AI noise cancellation, background blur in meetings, and local LLM processing without draining your battery. The verdict on speed. If you need to crunch numbers, render video, or play Cyberpunk, ASUS wins. If you need a silent machine that stays cool during a 4-hour Zoom marathon, ThinkPad is the choice. ASUS V16, you get a massive 16-inch WUXGA display. The headline feature here is the 144 Hz refresh rate. Once you go 144 Hz, browsing the web and moving windows feels like liquid. It's a game changer for motion clarity. ThinkPad T14, you get a 14-inch FHD Plus IPS panel. While it's only 60 Hz, it uses a 16:10 aspect ratio. That extra vertical space is a godsend for coders and writers. It's also an anti-glare panel that is much easier on the eyes during long work nights. The ThinkPad legend. There is a reason why NASA uses ThinkPads. The T14 Gen 5 is built like a tank. It passes MIL STD 810H durability tests. Keyboard. It's still the best in the world. The tactile feedback and travel distance are unmatched. Webcam, the 5MP HD webcam on the Lenovo blows the ASUS out of the water. For professional calls, you will look significantly sharper. The ASUS matte black aesthetic. The V16 is stylish and modern. It's a larger footprint, so you get a full number pad, a huge plus for accounting students. However, it is primarily plastic. It feels sturdy, but it doesn't have that survive-a-drop confidence that the ThinkPad provides. This is where the ThinkPad justifies its business label. Thunderbolt 4. The T14 has 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. This allows for one-cable docking setups to multiple 4K monitors. OS. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, which includes BitLocker encryption and remote desktop features that the home version on the ASUS lacks. Warranty. Lenovo offers a 3-year warranty out of the box. ASUS typically offers 1 year. That's 2 extra years of peace of mind. The ASUS V16 Wi-Fi 6 and standard USB ports, which is fine for most, but it lacks the high-end versatility of Thunderbolt. Choose the ASUS V16 Gaming if you are a student who wants one machine for both classes and gaming. You are a beginner video editor or graphic designer on a budget. You want the biggest screen possible for media consumption. Choose the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 if you are a professional, coder, or writer who values a perfect keyboard. You travel a lot and need a lightweight, durable 14-inch chassis. You want a machine that will last 5+ years with a professional warranty. So, are you going for the raw power of the ASUS or the professional reliability of the Lenovo? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you decide, and subscribe for more deep dive comparisons.